If we're measuring range of motion of the elbow, some people have a little hyperextension of the elbow. So if I'm measuring that, let's just start at 0. If this was all the person had, I don't have to measure 0. I can just see that it's 0. And so I need the person to bend the elbow all the way. And I'm going to keep my stationary arm lined up with the humerus. So again, you might want to feel exactly where the humerus is and the movable arm lined up here with the radius. So again, if I try to put my axis in the wrong place, I won't really be able to line up. So if I can line up with those bones, I've got my axis in the right place. But this is one where if I started from 0, it's this end of the goniometer is at the 0. So as I move the movable arm all the way around, I'm reading the number at this end of the goniometer, as opposed to when we were doing some of the other things where we were reading it from here. So I'm following from the 0. So I see my elbow flexion number. Now, Lori happens to have some hyperextension, so we're measuring the same way. We're starting with the goniometer open, and there's the stationary arm on the humerus, and then in order to get this movable arm to line up with the radius, you see now it has moved a little bit. So here we have 12 degrees of hyperextension.